Peekaboo! You got to do peekaboo for Grandpa? Huh? Where's Jonah? Where's Jonah? Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Where is that Jonah?
Peekaboo! Now you do peekaboo.
Peekaboo!
Where's Jonah?
Where's Jonah?
Oh,
Where's Jonah?
now she's really chewing.
I don't see Jonah. Where could Jonah be?
Jonah?
Where's Jonah?
Jonah?
Oh, there's Jonah. We found Jonah.
She says it herself if you listen.
Okay.
Let me hear you say.
I'll shut up and listen.
Okay, that's okay. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Yeah, you little wiggle worm.
Doing it right now.
That's okay.
See you later, alligator.
We're gonna get around here and see if we can't get a shot of the smoking hot grandma. Oh, yep, the smoking hot grandma. Peekaboo, grandma.
Peekaboo.
Alrighty. There we go. There she is. Bye. Are you saying Hudson?
Where's Doggy? Where's Rascal? Where's Rascal? See that? She...
Hey, let's see. Can we
Look,
see?
it's
There's Rascal. Hey, Rascal. Hey, Molly's. Where's Molly's at? I don't see Molly's. I don't see the little brown thing.
Right behind Rascal.
Is she? Yeah, they're sitting there because I gotta feed them. Ooh. Yeah, they like their new food.
How many times do you feed them? Okay.
Once a day.
Okay, then I thought you already fed them.
No.
You can't be hungry.
Well, it's because I fed them a big dinner last night. I gave them a half a cup of the dry mixed in with their other food.
Doggy? See Doggy? Where's the doggy?
Where's that doggy?
Where's the doggy? Huh?
Where's that doggy at?
Where's the doggy? Hey, Rascal. How does the doggy go? Woof! 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 We have to go see the doggy.
Yes.
But it's too cold tonight.
Okay. Well, y'all say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.